change into new outfits. Roomy.
Of dreams. Are you ready to play?
Wow!
Welcome to the factory, where the dust begins to play. Broken toys upon the shelves, watching every step you take. A smiling face, a furry hand, reaching from the dark. Don't make a sound, don't breathe too loud, or you'll ignite the spark. Grab your backpack, red and blue, hold it to your chest. In this abandoned wonderland, put your survival to the test. Two rusty doors stand in your way. Rusty doors stand in your way.
Wow!
Which one will let you see the day? The ticking clock, the grinding gears. It's time to face your deepest fears. Left or right, choose your fate. Hurry now, don't be late. One path leads to an open door, the other keeps you forevermore. Left or right, which will it be? In Playtime Co, nothing is free. Shadows creep and whispers call. Make your choice before you fall. Tick tock, left or right. Tick tock, step into the night. Huggy's waiting, mommy's near. Which direction leads from here? Choose now. Alright. Close your eyes and say goodnight.
The factory is sleeping,
Jinu.
but Gino is awake.
Sudden pain. Shadows dancing on the painted wall. Hear the echoes when the lost toys call. Deep inside the dark, I find the way. Where the broken pieces hide and play. I touch the cold steel, it starts to glow. A secret path that only I can know. Gears are turning, clicking into place. A metal hand, a brand new face. The wires connect, the spark is bright. I'm stepping out into the night. Oh, I am Jinu, the new design. The prototype in chapter 5, the power is mine. No hurt, no fear, just a magical machine. The greatest mystery you have ever seen. Watch the glowing eyes, feel the spooky chill. The factory is mine to build. Mine to build, yeah. Footsteps echoing down the lonely hall. Huggy and Kissy, I can't hear them all. They stand in the shadows watching me rise. Underneath the painted starry skies, we don't need to hide, we just need to play. A brand new chapter starts here today. Gears are turning, clicking into place. A metal hand, a brand new face. The wires connect.
Guess the character.
Did a new toy leave a mark, or is it just a glowing
Lily
glow?
Lovebraids.
Time to play. Which way today?
Left.
Dusty floors and painted
Right.
walls. Lily walks the quiet halls, twisting braids of yarn and thread. A curious puzzle lies ahead. Two big doors stand in her view. One is red and one is blue. The factory sleeps, the shadows play, but she has to choose a way. The clock goes tick, the clock goes tock. A golden key for a silver lock.
Left.
The playtime gears begin to spin. Which is the door that lets her in? Left or right?
Yes.
Left or right? Which way out of the fading light? Left or right? Left or right? A play for it all in the night. Step to the left, step to the right. Hold your little braids
Right.
Left or right, go left or right. Make your choice and hold on tight. A glowing arrow points one way, but dusty footprints go astray. A gentle hum from the factory floor. What is hiding behind the door? Lily stands still, tapping her shoe, wondering what she ought to do. No monsters here, just a winding maze, lost inside the playtime haze. The clock goes tick, the clock goes tock. A golden key for a silver lock. The playtime gears begin to spin. Which is the door that lets her in? Left or right, left or right? Which way out of the fading light? Left or right, left or right? A playful riddle in the night. Step to the left, step to the right. Hold your little braids.
A secret keeps.
Abby.
Welcome back to Playtime Co.
Dust on the shelves, a broken smile. We've been walking for a while. The halls are cold, the lights are dim.